Hey guys, down here at Drifta Stockton Superstore in West Gosford, and this is our new little camp table. So about 350 mils high and extremely light, so very light, good surface area on top. Look at that. And it's got a cool little feature where you can adjust the legs down, make it a bit higher for more of a sitting height. So it's just a matter of folding it down. Look at that. Great little height.
Pretty light. Best picnic table on the market.
So ideal to go with some of our Stockton chairs. And big thing is with this sort of gear, we want lightweight. That's what Kaido's after.
Alright.
No worries.
Perfect. Boom.